giant green one. Ha! Show off. Oh yeah, lining the Baja Bugs up together. Baja Bugs take over the meat. Ooh. We got burned.
Yeah. Oh,
yeah.
some more clearance, and yeah.
They like barely.
about them, and I'm like, duh.
We went over. We were going through the sand wash yesterday, and we were hitting it pretty hard, and we got sideways in third, and we came up to like a big bump.
Oh my god.
And I mean, we were already pitching it right, and we hit the bump, and all of a sudden that right wheel locked up, and all of a sudden we were pitching it left.
Felt like a roller coaster. As long as you don't, you know, roll it or anything, huh? Ooh, nice thing. Very clean.
Break.
How you doing? How are you, man?
Good.